Hi friends, welcome to switch2best.com. In our today's video, we are going to do some interesting work. I'm going to take one scooty delivery. This is the first time I am purchasing a scooty, so I need to know so many things before purchasing. I will share you all the details with you. First, after taking delivery, we will review the features of the scooty also. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Today we are at Nilati Motors, Agartala. Let's go inside the showroom and see what are the scooters available. I've already selected Hero Pleasure Plus VS6. This is one Destiny is here, new model Destiny. Next is Hero Maestro. Basically I'm looking for a scooty for my wife, so I'm going to choose lightweight scooty. Out of these three scooties, Hero Pleasure Plus is lightweight and easy to handle. This is the model I have selected, matte green color. This is the all new Extreme launched by Hero. This is the display model. While my scooty is getting ready, I'm just taking video of these new models. Now let's talk about Hero Pleasure Plus. What are the specifications? It's having 110cc engine, 90 mm tubeless tires, 155 mm ground clearance and all. These are the features you will find. All the features list I've given. The most important features for girl here are side stand indicator. You will get a side stand indicator within this price range, and these are the color options available. I have selected the matte green color. Let's see the price of the scooty. In Agartala, you will get three variants basically: Pleasure VX, Pleasure LX, and another one is Platinum version. For VX, you will get 63,640 for X showroom price, and on-road price will be at 76,000 approx. And for Pleasure LX version, you will get the X showroom price is 61,490 and on-road price will be 74,000 rupees. And the most updated and latest version is Platinum version. X showroom price will be 65,640 and on-road price will be 78,000 rupees. These are the documents required to purchase a new two-wheeler in India. These documents will be required for vehicle registration after purchasing. If you have Aadhaar card and driving license, in most of the cases it will work for all purposes. If you are taking on EMI, there's a simple EMI calculation, you can check it out. I have taken for 30 months 2,500 rupees EMI price. I have given 15,000 rupees down payment. Before taking a delivery, you should inspect following things like bodywork and paint, engine and transmission, all these things, and electrical checks, all the lights and horns are working or not, and tire quality. You can check the tires because sometimes it's recorded that someone may replace the new tires with old tires, so this might not happen in showrooms, but then also you might check these things before taking delivery. My scooty is ready. Here they have fitted all the accessories and all, so they are ready for giving me delivery. Let's walk around and check the features once again. All these things are in right shape or not. All these things are okay. We are ready to take delivery now. While you're taking a scooty delivery or purchasing a new scooty, it will take around 2 to 3 hours time depending on how you are purchasing the scooty. If you are purchasing on cash, it will take less time. If you are purchasing in EMI, you need to do some paperwork, so it will take some time. I have successfully arrived at my home, so let's inspect and review the scooty and all the features available in this scooty. You are not getting any daytime LED light, you are getting a daytime headlight, so there is no on off switch for headlight, just you will get a low beam high beam option. And this is the headlight look like, and you will get combi brake. This is very important for braking system. And this is the rear seat opener. You can open the seat like this and you will get a decent boot size, around 10 liters. You can keep a medium size helmet in it, ideal for girls. And oil lid also you will get under seat. Just you need to open the seat and you need to fill the oil here. And you will also get a lamp, boot lamp inside the. You will also get a boot lamp to see the view at night time inside the seat. Seat cushioning is comfortable, and ride is also very much comfortable. I have taken a ride also while I taking it back to my home. You will get the USB charger here. Just you need to pull the cover and plug your USB here. You will get a decent place to keep your belongings here. Because I have taken a VX model, I will getting this extra storage here. This is a display panel. You will get a side stand indicator. This is helpful for girls while you're riding. If your side stand is on, it will show you warnings. And this is the choke area. In VS6 you will not get any choke. And this is the key section where you need to put your key and start the scooty. Chrome work is also very beautifully done in this scooty. Chrome work in the retro headlamp also looks beautiful on this scooty. And you are getting a hook to hang your bags and any other belonging. Within this price tag you are getting a good scooty with so many features, which is not available in Activa also, Activa 6G, which will cost you around 10,000 more compared to Pleasure Plus. This is the footrest. You need to purchase it and you need to fit it. These are the high beam, low beam buttons. This is the indicator and this is the horn. And one thing it would be better, because this suspension is drum suspension. If you get a telescopic suspension, that would be more better with this scooty, because telescopic suspensions are best for to get a good quality ride. Telescopic suspensions are very good, so we are getting drum suspension that is also okay within this price tag. I most like the features you are getting in this scooty. You are getting a charging port and utility box, alloy wheel, integrated braking system and tubeless tires, side stand indicator, low fuel indicator, retro headlamps, sporty tail lamp, analog speedometer and LED boot lamp. All these features you are getting under 74,000. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friend and family. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.